Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be doing the Kiss Wilko advent calendar. This is what the advent calendar looks like. So door number 1 is right here in the middle. Oh, and it's a little lipstick. A little swatch for you. Ooh, that's a very bright colour. Cute little lipstick. So it is a full lipstick. And it's in this really cute corally pinky colour. 2 is this little square box right here. And these ones come with little tabs that you push in before you open it, which is really helpful. Tiny heart lip balm. And it says perfect your pout on the front. And again, it's in this really nice pinky colour. Okay. This is the lipstick, this is the lip balm. Day 3, again, is up here. A little tiny nail polish in a very metallic colour. Again, it doesn't tell you what, maybe it's called Party because that's what it says on the front. So day 4, again, it's just over here. And this is just a little tiny scrunchie. So far, this calendar is kind of for like a preteen. Day number 6 is this little lip gloss that says So Kissable lip gloss, and it's in the kind of similar shade to the lipstick. Wow, that's very bright shade. That's the lipstick, that's the lip balm. Number 7, which is just up here, is an eyeshadow. Ooh. So this is a 1.5 gram eyeshadow, and it literally just says eyeshadow on the front. It doesn't say a shade again. 8, which is just up here. Oh, it's a little beauty. Oh, so it's like a little sponge. It's meant to be shaped like a beauty blender, but it's a flat sponge. Quite a good first makeup set. Mine, which is just here. Again,
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
And another little scrunchie, this time in blue. Number 10, which is this long one just here. I don't know if I was meant to, but I got the So Kissable lip gloss again. It's just slightly darker. This one's more like a reddy shade. This was the first one, and this is the second one. A very bright colour for a teenager. But we're 10 days in, and we've got 2 lip glosses, beauty blender sponge, a lip balm, a lipstick, an eyeshadow, a little nail varnish, 2 little hairbands. 011 is here. It's quite a big one just here. The little toe separators when you're painting your nails. Little foam nail thingies. There's 12 just here. This is a small door. We've got our eyeshadow on door 7. And door 12, they decided to give me an eyeshadow applicator. Really would have annoyed me. And it has a little bit.
Because you had to wait all that time and I wouldn't have had to rub it on my hand.
Imagine waking up on the morning and going, what did I get today? Door number 13, which is just here. It's another little nail polish. This one's called Candy. Oh, that's really cute. This is like that classic Barbie pink colour. Number 14, which is just at the top up here. We got a nail file. It's just a bit naff, isn't it? And quite a long one. Lip liner. Oh, that's quite sweet. I don't know what colour it's meant to go with though. None of them apparently. I mean, it could kind of go with your lipstick. This is my lip liner. It's like this dark reddy pinky colour. Doesn't have a shade again. It's 0.5 grams. 16. The mascara. There's a 2.5 milliliter mascara. Let's have a look at the one. That's a nice, that's quite a decent first mascara. What I find quite cute is that they tell you at the bottom of here as well how to use every product. 17. What's that? Woo. It's a Perfect Your Pout lip balm, clear lip balm in this little mint tin, which I think is quite cute. There we go. just a little lip balm. I didn't open door number 5. Door number 5 is just a little scrunchie again. Right, so we're on door number 18, which is this one here. What do we get in door number 18? It's these things. The little cuticle nail things. Door number 19. Again, I think this is a little, it's a little nail varnish. This one is in a corally pink colour and it's called Pop, which I think is super cute. Door number 20, which is this square door just here. We have another eyeshadow. Again, it doesn't have a shade colour, but this one's quite a lighter brown version of the other one. Falls off when you touch it. This was the first one and this is the second one. 21, which is this long one just here. Oh, we have an eyeliner. And does it tell us how to apply it? Yeah, so it tells you on the back how to apply it. Outline the contour of your eyelid to your desired shape. It's just a plain black eyeliner. Number 22. Oh my god. Get your glow on highlighter. That's so cute. It looks more like a bronzer to me, but cute. Oh no, now it looks like a highlighter when I've opened it. 23, up the top. Much like the nail file, this annoys me. Nail stickers. Last door, door number 24, just at the bottom here. What a crap way to end a calendar. Stickers. On door number 24 we got stickers and on door number 23 we got stickers. So that's how we end the calendar from Wilko. The £6 Kiss calendar with 2 sets of stickers. Toe separators. These 2 wooden thingies. We've got 2 sets of stickers. Nail file. 1 lip gloss. 2 lip glosses. Lipstick. A lip balm. We've got another lip balm, 1 eyeliner and 1 lip pencil, a makeup sponge. We've got 1, 2, 3 nail varnishes, 2 eyeshadows, a highlighter, mascara, 3 hairbands, and 1 eyeshadow brush, sponge. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.